Chapter 14. Keeping in Touch. All of us love to keep in touch with our friends and relatives. However, it is not always possible to visit them. Then, how can we keep in touch with them? We can exchange our thoughts and feelings with them by various means of communication. The process of sending and receiving messages is called communication. Long ago, messages were sent through trained pigeons or persons. Today, we have a number of ways to communicate and faster means of communication. Post. Postcards, envelopes, inland letters, and aerograms are common means of communication by post. We can buy any of them from a post office. After writing our message and the address of the person we are writing to, we post the letter in a letterbox. The postman collects all the letters from the letterbox and takes them to the post office in a bag. There, these letters are sorted out according to the places they have to be sent. The letters are then stamped and put into different mailboxes. The letters are then loaded into mail vans and taken to the railway station, port, or airport. From there, they are sent to the cities and towns according to the address written on them. Once they reach the city or town, they are taken to the main post office. Here they are stamped again and sorted on the basis of different areas of that place. The postman takes the letters and delivers them to the written address. Urgent letters can be sent through couriers. The post office offers a special service called the speed post to deliver letters and parcels much faster. For quick and safe delivery, we must write the complete address with correct PIN code. A PIN, postal index number code, ensures delivery of the letters at the correct address. In India, a PIN code has 6 digits. Telephone. Telephone is the quickest means of communication. Using a telephone, we can easily talk to a friend or relative in our own town or city, in another town or city, or even in another country instantly. Cellular phones, commonly known as mobile phones, have made life much easier. Unlike landline phones, which are fixed to a particular place, mobiles can be carried anywhere. We can also send messages, popularly called the SMS, short messaging service, from them. A fax machine connected to a telephone line can be used to send messages, pictures, or any other written content instantly. Internet and email. Computers are the most modern means of communication. The Internet is a communication network that connects computers all over the world. We can send pictures and printed messages from one computer to another through the Internet. This system of sending messages from one computer to another is called email. The email message is delivered almost instantly. Mass communication. All the means of communication we have read so far are the means of personal communication. There are times when we need to pass on some messages to a large number of people at the same time. For example, a consumer goods company has to send a message to a large number of people in the form of an advertisement to inform them about its new product. This is done through television, radio, newspapers, and magazines. They are known as mass media. Let us learn about them in brief. Television. Television is a visual means of communication. It means that television gives information through pictures as well as sound. Television also brings various programs on latest news, history, animal and plant life, quiz, and weather forecast. Radio. Radio is the first ever means of wireless communication. It broadcasts news and programs to several people at a time. Even illiterate people can understand news and other programs on a radio easily. Newspaper. Newspapers are the cheapest means of communication. They print local as well as global news in many languages. People who collect news from different places are called journalists. We can read newspapers by various news websites too. Books and magazines also give a variety of information. Satellites. Communication satellites move around the Earth in space. They help in exchanging telephone messages and broadcasting radio and telecasting TV programs around the world at the same time. Satellites make it possible to watch live programs on TV and in